here's the last video for the hockey pucks. Let me show you what I got. We'll get started. All right, I got all my hockey pucks ready, one in each at each bracket. And the last one's right there. And then same on this side. 4 hockey pucks, 4 brackets all the way down. We're supporting the aluminum frame, a couple of jack stands in the back corners, and then we've got some cribbing just in front of the rear tires. All right, I'm gonna hang you back up on the stand, and we'll let the air out. All right, here we go. Okay, this is just liquid nails. Fuse it for all surfaces. You could use whatever. This I just got at the local kitten spot. And here we go. One-handed. All right, 2 more. that easy. All done. Feel great about it. Now we can start putting this floor in. Catch you guys on the next one.